Did you know that the food you eat fuels your brain too? Your brain is like a supercomputer. It needs the right fuel to function at its best. The food you consume provides the energy your brain needs. It's all about making smart choices. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, sharper you through the power of food. You might be surprised to learn that your brain and your gut are in constant communication. They have a direct line of communication called the gut-brain axis. This two-way highway allows your gut to send signals to your brain and vice versa. What does this mean for your brain health? Well, it turns out that the trillions of bacteria living in your gut, known as your gut microbiome, play a crucial role in brain function. These tiny organisms influence everything from your mood and cognition to your sleep and stress response. They do this by producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that relay signals throughout your brain. In fact, a significant portion of your serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, is produced in the gut. An imbalance in your gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, has been linked to a range of mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. But the good news is that you can influence the composition of your gut microbiome through your diet. Eating a variety of fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy and balanced gut-brain axis. When it comes to brain health, omega-3 fatty acids are the superstars. These essential fats are crucial for building and maintaining healthy brain cells. Think of them as the building blocks for a strong and resilient brain. There are three main types of omega-3s: EPA, DHA, and ALA. EPA and DHA are found primarily in fatty fish, while ALA comes from plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts. DHA in particular is a vital component of brain cell membranes, ensuring their fluidity and flexibility. This fluidity is essential for communication between brain cells, which is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who consume higher amounts of omega-3s tend to have better cognitive performance and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. They may even help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, how can you incorporate more omega-3s into your diet? Aim to eat at least 2 servings of fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, or sardines per week. You can also boost your intake with plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Just like metal can rust over time, our brains are also susceptible to damage from a process called oxidative stress. This damage occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals, which are produced during normal metabolic processes, start to accumulate in the body. Think of free radicals as tiny troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your cells, including brain cells. This is where antioxidants come in. Antioxidants are powerful compounds found in fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods that act like scavengers, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. They're like the superheroes of the nutrition world, fighting off those pesky free radicals and keeping your brain healthy and strong. Some of the most potent antioxidants for brain health include vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. Vitamin C is found in abundance in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers, while vitamin E is present in nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. Flavonoids, on the other hand, are found in a wide array of colorful fruits and vegetables, giving them their vibrant hues. Section 5. Sugar. A sweet treat with a bitter aftertaste. We all love a sugary treat, but too much sugar can harm our health. Excess sugar can also wreak havoc on your brain. Large amounts of added sugar can negatively affect cognitive function. Sugar interferes with insulin signaling, leading to insulin resistance. This disrupts glucose balance, impairing cognitive function. Chronic inflammation from high sugar intake increases dementia risk. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods for brain health. Section 6. Everyday brain boosters. Now that we've covered some of the key nutrients for brain health, let's dive into some specific foods that can give your brain a boost. These everyday staples are packed with brain-boosting power and can easily be incorporated into your diet. Blueberries. These tiny berries are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and protect your brain from damage. Fatty fish. As we learned earlier, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain cell structure and function. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only a delicious snack but also a great source of omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamin E, all of which contribute to brain health. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including lutein, which has been linked to improved cognitive function. Eggs. Don't underestimate the power of an egg. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in memory and learning. By incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your meals and snacks, you can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Section 7. Food comas and brain fog, the short-term effects. We've all been there, that sluggish feeling after a heavy meal, when your eyelids feel heavy and your brain feels like it's in a fog. This phenomenon, often referred to as a food coma, is a prime example of how food can have an immediate impact on our brain function. But what exactly causes this post-meal slump, and why do some foods seem to trigger it more than others? The answer lies in the way our bodies digest and metabolize food. When we eat, our bodies release insulin to help transport glucose from the bloodstream into our cells for energy. However, consuming a large meal, particularly one high in carbohydrates and fat, can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This roller coaster of blood sugar levels can leave you feeling fatigued and mentally drained. Moreover, the process of digestion itself requires energy, diverting blood flow away from the brain and towards the digestive system. This can further contribute to feelings of drowsiness and mental fogginess. So, the next time you're feeling sluggish after a meal, remember that it's your body's way of prioritizing digestion over other functions, including brain power. Section 7. Food comas and brain fog, the short-term effects. We've all been there, that sluggish feeling after a heavy meal, when your eyelids feel heavy and your brain feels like it's in a fog. This phenomenon, often referred to as a food coma, is a prime example of how food can have an immediate impact on our brain function. But what exactly causes this post-meal slump, and why do some foods seem to trigger it more than others? The answer lies in the way our bodies digest and metabolize food. When we eat, our bodies release insulin to help transport glucose from the bloodstream into our cells for energy. However, consuming a large meal, particularly one high in carbohydrates and fat, can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This roller coaster of blood sugar levels can leave you feeling fatigued and mentally drained. Moreover, the process of digestion itself requires energy, diverting blood flow away from the brain and towards the digestive system. This can further contribute to feelings of drowsiness and mental fogginess. So, the next time you're feeling sluggish after a meal, remember that it's your body's way of prioritizing digestion over other functions, including brain power. Section 8. The long game diet and long-term brain health. While the short-term effects of food on our brains are undeniable, it's the long-term impact of our dietary habits that truly matters when it comes to brain health. Just as a healthy diet can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, a brain-healthy diet can protect your cognitive function as you age and reduce your risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. One of the key mechanisms by which diet influences long-term brain health is through its impact on inflammation. As mentioned earlier, chronic inflammation is a major contributor to cognitive decline and an increased risk of dementia. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can fuel inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. On the other hand, diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats have anti-inflammatory effects, protecting your brain from damage. Moreover, a balanced and nutritious diet provides your brain with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to function optimally and maintain its cognitive reserve, which is your brain's ability to withstand age-related changes and resist damage. Section 9. Practical tips for a brain-boosting diet. Now that you understand the profound impact of diet on your brain health, you might be wondering how to incorporate these findings into your daily life. Here are some practical tips to boost your brain power through your diet. 1. Prioritize whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Limit processed foods. Minimize your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food, which are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients that can negatively impact brain health. 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 4. Don't skip meals. Aim to eat regular, balanced meals to maintain stable blood sugar levels and provide your brain with a steady supply of energy. And 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, both physically and mentally. If a particular food seems to trigger brain fog or fatigue, consider limiting your intake. Section 10. Beyond the plate. Other factors for brain health. While diet plays a crucial role in brain health, it's important to remember that it's not the only factor. Other lifestyle factors also contribute to a healthy brain, including 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity not only benefits your physical health but also improves blood flow to the brain, enhances cognitive function, and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. 2. Sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for memory consolidation, learning, and overall brain health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your brain health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. 4. Social connections. Maintaining strong social connections is crucial for cognitive health and well-being. Engage in social activities, connect with loved ones, and build meaningful relationships. And 5. Mental stimulation. Just like your body needs exercise, your brain needs mental stimulation to stay sharp. Challenge yourself with puzzles, learn new skills, or engage in activities that require focus and attention. Section 11. Fuel your mind, feed your potential. In conclusion, the food you consume has a profound impact on your brain health, both in the short term and the long term. By making conscious food choices and adopting a brain-healthy diet, you can optimize your cognitive function, enhance your mood, and protect your brain from age-related decline. Remember, your brain is your most valuable asset, so fuel it wisely. So take charge of your brain health today by incorporating the tips and insights we've discussed into your daily life. Embrace the power of nutrition and unlock your full cognitive potential. Remember, every bite you take is an opportunity to nourish your brain and enhance your overall well-being. Start fueling your mind today and experience the transformative effects of a brain-healthy lifestyle.